In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the version of Slack you are using. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just curious about the features in your current setup, knowing the version of your app is a useful piece of information. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you've got it down pat. First things first, we need to get to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and type in slack.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll find yourself at the Slack homepage. If you're not already signed in, don't worry, simply click on the sign in button, usually found in the upper right hand corner of the page. At this point, if you're using a Google account tied to your Slack workspace, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on this if it applies to you, as it's a quick and easy way to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Slack dashboard. This is your main screen for navigating everything Slack. Now the next step is to move to your profile. This is generally located in the top right corner of your Slack dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a drop down menu with different options for personal settings and information. From your profile menu, look for an option that says Tools and Settings. You'll want to click on this to access more detailed settings and tools available to you. It's in these settings where you'll often find anything related to the version and app information. Once you've entered the tools and settings, navigate to the billing section. This is where you'll find various details regarding your subscription plan and app installation. It's here where we move on to the final step, checking your Slack version. In the billing section, look for the link that says download apps. Clicking this link usually presents an overview of your current Slack app, including download links and version information. This is where you can confirm which version of Slack you are currently operating. Now you should have successfully determined your version of Slack. Remember, knowing your app version can be crucial for solving potential issues or when new updates roll out with exciting new features. So keep this process handy. And that's it. A simple, efficient and quick way to find out your Slack version. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital workspace experience.